Right, you wonderful people of YouTube, you can help me with this if you wish. So to reveal this, I think I'm going to call it the Megalodon. Okay, I've never used one of these. I've not even seen one properly. I know they existed, but I have just purchased this beaut off my son-in-law. Purchase it was quite reasonable actually. And he said it needs a bit of a sharpen and the belt needs doing, and I have no idea how to sharpen these blades. I don't have a clue how to sharpen these blades. There's a few bolts missing by a look. That seems very loose. If anybody has any idea, I mean, have we got? They must be missing then. Is that missing? Does that clamp it in place? Do they clamp? Are the clamps missing? Well, it looks like it to me. So, I mean, do they touch each other and self-sharpen? I have no idea. So any help would be greatly appreciated. I mean, that's loose. So is that right? I don't know. I have no idea. He's put a new belt on, but I think we need some new cables. I don't even know if it starts. He said it works fine. We've got a puncher, which I've got to repair. I don't know which one. We'll look at that. So give it a bit of a go. Let me just get a tripod. Okay, so I presume it says it's a Briggs & Stratton engine. That doesn't mean that the make. What make is it? Okay, what's that saying? What have we got down here? Oh, here we go. We've got a little. We have got a code on there, so I can probably get parts for it. What have we got here? Agria. Oh, I don't know. I can't read it. I got the right glasses on. Anyway, there you go. Cracking. Looks like a cracking bit of kit. Standard engine, 4.5 horsepower. Focus. There we go. Choke and start. So according to son-in-law, you don't have to touch any of the handles. I don't know if you can see any of this. Now we've got to touch anything. It should just go into choke and start. Sounds good, no smoke. One is for drive and one is for blade. Right, I think that needs adjusted. Also needs when you drive, so that's your blade. Needs a bit of work. Woo! That doesn't need any work, that's alright. That pulls really well. But the front end definitely needs a bit of work. So if I pull the handle in now, I mean, it's going to shake, but yeah, I'm going to have a look at that. By the look of it, we've got 1, 2, I'm going to call them clasps. Hold on. Looks like we've got 2 clasps missing. I don't know how to sharpen them, whether they self-sharpen like I said before. That bearing looks a little bit loose, I don't know. A little bit sloppy on the bolts maybe, I do not know, I have to look into that. Check the plate. Oh, it seems pretty solid. And that's it really. Chuffed. Yeah, really looking forward to this, because I've got a path to upkeep, like down here, all in the woodland. path down there, and it goes round the outskirts of 3.5 acres, and doing that by hand was no joke. And also we've got a track that comes from the top, at the top there where the gate is, and that comes all the way down, and that is really overgrown. So that's the idea of this. So yeah, if anybody's got any links and knows anything about these, either leave a message down below or put the link in the description and I'll have a look and see if I can get parts for the blade, or even just get a new blade maybe. That's the point. Okay, if you enjoyed that, give us a thumbs up and a like, that'd be great, and any help appreciated. Okay, just to finish off the video that we've started already on this new mower, well, this mower I bought off my son-in-law. So we've only got 2 of these, there should be 4. Here we go. I ordered 3 more extra ones. They came through the post. So we're going to fit them today. Hopefully I got enough bolts. I've got the other part. I've just wire wooled. I'm just going to show you that now. So this is the part that goes on. But we have a dilemma. I could smell petrol. I was thinking, where's that coming from? Just here. If you can see that, zoom in. Where is it? We have a hole. How the hell that's happened, I do not know. Something's took a munch on it. Anyway, so we got a leaky fuel tank, so I've got to find one of these. So it's a Quantum XM 45. So that's 4.5. Is it 4. I don't know. Anyway, we'll have a look. I'll take some description and have a look at it. But it should be just a standard Briggs and Stratton engine by the look of it. Right, so I've wire wooled that down. Doesn't need to be perfect. Going to put the new blade on, but I'm going to grease all that first. Put the new blade on. I'll come back to you when it's ready to go. That'll do for that one. Same with this. You don't need to. I just want it so it fits. And then what happens is the blades just fits on top like that. Like so. Where's that piece gone? That piece goes in here. Like that. Then it fits around the back here, Jamie. Fits in there like so. And then the blades. And then the new clamps fit on. So this is tight. Blimey, that is tight. It must have been missing it for some time. Tell you what, the spray. Should have brought some WD with me, shouldn't I? Yeah. Definitely should have bought some WD. Right, so it looks like the pressure goes on the front of the blade. Same with that one. So it looks like it comes across a bit. I don't know how much it moves, but it doesn't really matter, I suppose, does it? Like that. And then the next one. So we're going to put a new one this side, then an old one here, and then a new one at the end here. That's going to come on down a bit, and then an old one. I've got to find it. Got to do them so that they're quite slack, to be honest with you. There we go. So you don't just clamp them down hard, you've got to sort of position them. So what you do is when you put the bolts down, just make sure the blade can move freely underneath. I know it sounds noisy, but you've got much choice actually. And there we go. So we'll give that a go when I finish. Look at it pouring out. Alright, Alright, thanks very much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. And yeah, so that's working. I got a puncture to fix and a fuel tank. But apart from that, we're good to go.